It is a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I'm making this a small video because I'm not ready for the tutorial tomorrow. I've been working outside in the yard, setting up the pool, getting things ready. We painted the deck and all that stuff. I came back from Cuba like a week and a few days ago, and they were waiting for me for everything, so they needed my supervision. The only thing that they set up was the gazebo, and other than that, I did everything else. I'm sitting here. I came for a coffee. Sitting, Luna is walking around, and you can hear the pool going. I started the filter system, and then Luna is walking around there. And this is what we've done so far. Everything is so green, so gorgeous. And we put the salt in the pool, and then I moving the water around. The water is that color because it's our well water, so that's why. And with the blue of the pool, it have that color. But everything is set up already for the summer. William is dying to go in the pool. He just hardly can wait to go in the pool. So I just have the filter going, but not the salt machine. Now I'm gonna put the salt machine on, and I'm gonna start running the salt. So I was laughing with my knee, with my niece, because she said that I said, "This is my little beach." She said, "No, that's a pool." I said, "Well, the water is with salt and the filter is with sand, so this is my private beach." She was laughing. So I'm gonna show you what I've done so far of my project, because I don't have the time to be doing the design. So just taking a little time working. So hopefully by next Wednesday everything will be ready to go. The project is a very easy project, and it's a really nice technique. I really like it. I hope you guys like it. Is that I've been so busy working in the yard that I don't have the time to do some recording. Right now I'm at the point that I have to record. I'm working in the back first and then in the front. I think you guys gonna like the way I look the yarn doing the strips up. So is that I've been very busy. Hopefully that's it for the yard for now, and very soon, and William only have a month and a couple of days left, or less than a month of school, and after that I will be with him here full time. So we'll be between William and my designs and doing things in the house. So I hope I can come out with a few more projects for the summertime. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I had to go inside and do the little piece of recordings, and I'm gonna show you as well what the blouse is looking so far. But I will look a little bit nicer. I'm just at the almost at the end of the back, and after that I had to do the front and do all the borders, everything to put it together. I'm gonna go inside. I came out for a coffee. I already drank my coffee. I just enjoying the beautiful weather. The beautiful weather here. The temperature is amazing, and we don't have any mosquito. Other parts of the city are infested with mosquito. It's horrible, but here so far so good. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I've done so far. It don't seem like much because I'm working on it. So far, you see how beautiful the strips look. I absolutely love it because it's no, I don't do like stripes. It's like strips that the stripes are now matching. But I love it. I love the way I look. It's a beautiful, easy technique. I'm working on the back, creating, you see, this is the color for the back. And I have to do this little piece here. It's not too long because I don't like long blouses. you know, crochet long blouses I don't like, but if you want it longer, what you do is when you're working in your first strip, you give it more length, and that will give you a longer piece, and then the other ones you'll work guiding yourself by the first one. But for mine, that's the length. You see, it's not too long, but it's super easy to do. You see like this, but it's super easy to do. And I like always, I give you all the details and how to work this. Right now I have to do this little piece of this strip in here to create this like that for the back, and then do this fold strip. Now it's only one fold on the side there. For me, gonna be a little bit loose, but it will look nice. You see, a little bit loose here because I still have to do another strip. I absolutely love the way this look. They look amazing. And then after that, I will finish doing this, and then do that one, and then I will work on the front piece, put everything together, and then we'll be done. But I absolutely love it. So now I had to record that little piece in here. It's super easy to do, like I say. You can do so many things with this. Like that. It's gorgeous. Well, I'm gonna cut the video blog here because I just making this a small video to let you know that tomorrow don't gonna have any tutorial, only for next Wednesday, because I don't have the time to continue working on the design. And I wanted to show you something. And before I went to Cuba, when I was editing the videos, I was working on this. This is from leftover yarn. Look how nice this look. You can put it like this with a strapless top, or with a spaghetti strap blouse, or you can sew it to a piece. This is like this, uneven, because this circle is bigger than this one. I wanted to make like that, like an abstract art. It look really, really nice. Let's see what I can do with this in a different project. I like it. So I'm gonna cut this short because I have to continue recording this tutorial. I'm wearing extension. So, you have a beautiful day. Bye. See you here next time, either in a tutorial or a video blog or a live small video.